Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So ever since iOS 14 has been released now, a lot of people like me have been customizing their iPhone home screen setups with different icon packs now. And today guys, I wanted to share with you guys how you guys could create a minimalist setup on your home screen using minimalist icon designs. And I've been using this icon pack for now over a week. So let's get started. So first off, of course, as you can see, this is my setup right now on my home screen on my iPhone. So right now, of course, I'm using this icon pack by Ollie, who is also another YouTuber designer. And he created this icon pack, which is just super minimalistic and super awesome. So there's three versions of this icon pack in one purchase that you could get from him. So he has this black white style, then he has the white and black style, and then he has like this beige creamy color as well that you can also include on your setup right now. But of course, like I said, I'm going for the minimalist style as possible, and this is the setup right now that I'm rocking. So first off, of course, let's start of course with the wallpaper. So the wallpaper I've included is with the same wallpaper that Ollie also includes with this icon pack, which is just really awesome. So it looks really nice and it's just simple, and that's how I like it. Of course, now the first widget of course that we have here on top is called Date Today. So the Date Today of course is an awesome widget that shows you of course what day it is of the month, and of course it shows you your battery life right there. And of course I just love that little nice good afternoon writing right there, and it changes every time depending on what part of the day it is. So if it's morning, it will say good morning. If it's night, then it will say good night. And then of course I have here's my setup of course here with these apps here. The messages app, of course, the App Store app, Spotify, settings, Apollo, YouTube Studio, the weather, things, and then of course I have the other widget right here. It's called Motivation, of course. So if you know, it's an awesome app that has some cool motivation widgets as well. So yeah, just really cool. So how can you transform your setup into this setup like this? Well, it's fairly simple actually, and all you need of course is iOS 14, and you need the shortcuts app, and of course the icon pack, which you could go and download right now on his site. And it's just really simple. So I will show you quickly how you can make it on the shortcuts app really quickly. So of course, when you open up shortcuts, of course, you go on shortcuts, you click the plus sign right there, and then you go to add action. And then on add action, you go to scripting, and then on scripting, oops, it's now frozen or something. Let's try one more time. Well, it's frozen, so we're gonna close it, force close it, and we're gonna try one more time. So you're gonna go to scripting, and it's there we go. Okay, so we're gonna go to plus, we're gonna go to action, we're gonna go to scripting, and then we're gonna go to open app, and then you gotta go click on choose right now. And of course we're just gonna choose a fun little app right here. We'll just call it the Apple Store one. And then after that, you just go on your share sheet and you go on add to home screen. And then on add to home screen, you just click right here on the small little dot where it says edit icon, and then from there just choose file. And then from here, as you can see, here are all the designs that Ollie has created in his icon pack, and we're gonna look for one that has like maybe a shopping bag or something for the Apple Store one, and I think there's none of it actually, or maybe there is. So there is none. So there's not a ton of icons. I wish there was a bit more, but maybe in the future he will release some more icon designs and the updates of course. So we'll just click of course the Apple logo, which is pretty simple, and then you could just change the name. So we'll call it Apple Store, and then we're gonna click add, and we're gonna go next, Apple Store, and then finished. And then there we go. So when we go into our home screen right there, the app is right there and ready to be used as well. And then you could just move it around to your setup if you want. So yeah, you just click and then of course just drag it and just have it right there. And there you go. You have a shortcut created using a custom icon from a icon pack that you maybe have purchased. So that's pretty much it. Super simple to use, and this is my minimalist setup right here. Super, like I said, super minimal, super simple, just how I like it. There's not too much going on, of course. It's just some useful apps that I need to use right here, and of course a nice little widget on the bottom left corner, which to give some motivation, of course. And then of course the date today widget right there on top, which just gives it a nice, quick information about your device and what day it is, and of course what part of the day it is as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this super custom minimalist setup right here that I'm rocking on the iPhone 11 with iOS 14. So that's it for now, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that does help a lot when you do subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.